ようございます。まずはワッフルの生地を作っていきます。で、ワッフルの生地には、もちもちした生地が好きなので、もちもちした食感が好きなので、もち粉を加えて、はい、おはようございます。まずはワッフルの生地から作っていきます。生地には少しだけこのもち粉を加えていきます。このもち粉じゃなくても上新粉とか、あと米粉とかでも大丈夫です。では、合わせて作っていきます。薄力粉 200g、もち粉 70g、ベーキングパウダー小さじ1、ざっと粉類を混ぜて、次はミルク入れようかな。卵を1、で溶かしておいたバターが 50g ぐらいかな。で、蜂蜜を適当に2回しくらいいつも入れてます。はい。蜂蜜。よいしょ。はい、生地はこんな感じにできました。
Good morning.
Good morning.
Ooh, looks awesome.
Look outside.
Good morning.
Oh my
Good morning.
god. It's snowing outside?
Wait, it's snowing?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no.
It's snowing!
Maple. Snow.
Are we gonna go for a walk?
Yeah. Oh yeah, we are.
Really?
Okay.
I'm being extra warm today. Wearing gloves.
We're gonna go for a walk really fast before it gets too snowy.
Okay.
It's gonna be cold.
Yeah.
Daddy, I'm wearing extra stuff.
Extra stuff. Me too, Katie, today.
Yeah.
Daddy, I know where your baby is.
Souvenirs.
Where is it?
You know my bike?
Yeah, outside there.
Hey, Mama.
はい。
You know where my purple gloves are? Oh, never mind. I think I found it.
はい。メポダディアウトサイド来たからお仕事行ったと思ったね。
いつもそうでしょ？
うん。お仕事行ったと思ったよ。メポ初めての雪じゃない？
Wait, is this your first time seeing the snow?
Yeah.
Right?
Yep. This will be our first time seeing the snow.
メポ。
Wait, I'm actually surprised it's snowing though.
どうしたメポ？
They said it was supposed to be warm until Halloween, so obviously
Okay, joke's on them.
jokes on us. Roll it.
No.
Off.
メポトラボです。おお、何これ？あ、できた。大きいかな。ちっちゃくしよう。
What do you think, babe?
クー？あ、落ちた。
You look like you're gonna rob somewhere.
Should I do it? Should I go bank rob?
Okay.
お散歩行くよ。
It is snowing.
Say good morning to everyone. Good morning. Sophie's all bundled up and ready to be warm. I don't have gloves because I can't find them. Say hi, Sophie. Good morning. Let's go, guys.
It's not that cold.
Let's go.
I'm not cold.
It's not cold, that cold. It's just wet. Come on.
Let's go.
Boom, boom. Come on.
Oh, there's snow. They just got in my eye.
Yep.
We're walking the way time.
Yep. But on the way back, it'll be better. It's either going to be hard on the way there or on the way back.
No.
Come on. Out of the road.
She'll go on the road sometimes. Should I put my hood on at the same time?
I don't know. It's getting in my eyes. The snow's getting in my eyes a little bit. Maple doesn't mind the snow. Come on, this way.
Maple loves it, I'm pretty sure.
Come on.
I'm pretty sure Maple loves it. I don't know why I went on a walk.
I'm not sure why I went on a walk either. You got it?
We're going this way.
No, we're not. Okay, fine. Skateboard. Wonder if Maple wants to go skateboarding.
Maple, let's go skateboarding.
Stay away from the cemetery. Halloween time.
My face is freezing up.
Let me see it. It's not even pink yet. It's not even pink yet, crazy pants. Now my hands, on the other hand, my hands I cannot feel. I cannot feel my hands, cannot feel my arms actually.
Daddy, a lot of kids in this.
She's eating the snow, that's so cute.
I want to go tell
Okay,
Mama.
we're done. We're gonna head back inside and warm up. Maybe we'll do some hot chocolate.
Maple ate snow.
We are back.
Maple ate snow.
Maple,
So cute.
Maple loves eating the snow. That's pretty cool. I gotta wipe her off.
Do they have your towel?
Yeah, Maple's favorite towel. Oh, she is so warm. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you're so warm.
You guys have to take care of him more, bruh.
What?
Maybe to say
No, over there, please.
no.
Over there?
You have to use it.
Oh.
Maple, hold on. Daddy, I need her. Who is your one? You know.
Feeding time. Hold on to the case.
Baby signing time.
Sophie's got to build those muscles so she can open the food container. Oh, Maple's hungry. She's waiting.
Is that
Hey,
good
big girl.
enough?
Hi.
Is that good?
次行きます。どんどん行きます。
One. Two.
はい。お、いい音がしてます。
Sizzle.
え、なんで？
Sizzle. Sizzle.
はい、閉じて、
くるっとま。
うん、くるっとは2、3分経って、
もう一回
うん、くるっと。はい、
くるっとま。
くるっとまあ。この間にサラダを作りましょう。聞いてチェックしてみよう。お、いい感じ。よし。繰り返して、はい。
Hey, Mama, can I ask you a question?
うん。
So, which one do you think? It's this one, that one, so this one, or this one?
いや、お顔だけがいい。お顔だけがいい。うん、お顔だけがいいと思う。
Hey, Daddy. Now, what about this? I'm gonna ask you this.
さあ、見てみようか。繰り返して、オープン。お、いい感じ。
Wow, so
うん、ふわふわです、また。いい香りするね。はい。こんな感じ。オープン。
okay.
オープン。
Whoa.
オープン。
Whoa.
Going outside? Yeah. Have fun.
え、メポいっちゃったどうしたの？喜んでる？ Is it excited? With snow?
Can I come out?
Go on, Daddy.
I'm gonna go.
Be brave, Daddy.
She'll be done by the time we get out there. That's the point. Look at her burning all that energy.
Oh, she's coming back.
Nah, she's just coming to lick my
Look
sandals.
at her nose.
Oh, it's got snow on it. That's so cute.
Mom, she has snow on her nose.
Can we help set the table?
Ah, yep. Yep.
What do you want? No.
わほ
Lassie? Oh,
Does
already out.
mommy need one?
わほあ、まみちゃんカフェ飲むから大
Those
丈
are for
夫。
us.
カフェ飲むからね。
Take them both over there, please.
You take him out.
いただきます。みんなが食べている間にメープルは何をしているかというと眠ってます。長女が赤ちゃんの時使ってたタオルがお気に入りです。あ、なんかむにゃむにゃ言ってる。お散歩行ったし疲れたね。あ、起こさないように。ごめんねごめんね。